Welcome to the City of Chaos. We're here in Eastaboga, Alabama, and I'm here to tell you this is one very chaotic hunt. Every dollar they make goes to support wounded veterans here in Alabama, and they kind of carry that military theme throughout here. But tonight is their Valentine's Day event, so all bets are off. They've turned off the lights, and we do not know what's going to be waiting for us around each and every corner. We're going to take you through with us, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Candy.
No candy from Weird Clowns. Nope.
Why not?
Oh my.
I like that. I'll take candy.
No, I don't care.
I'll be nice to them.
Oh, okay. You're gonna be nice.
No, but at least
Whose blood is that?
don't worry.
Chiz.
Don't trust that one.
Don't trust him, I can tell.
I like the dinosaur.
If it's chloroform on the bracelet, don't trust it.
Oh, don't smell. Chloroform on the. Is there chloroform in that?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe. It's debatable.
Just assume chloroform and everything.
Tyler might want one.
Well, I'll
know.
try. I'll try. What do we got here?
I have a
Chloroform
quote-unquote
flavored
cheap bracelet.
dum-dums.
Unicorn rainbow bracelet.
Yep.
City of Chaos.
Oh, he snapped himself. It's biting him. It's rabid.
Oh my god. I don't want that one. Oh my.
All right,
Oh,
what
do
door?
we go in that door?
Well, I'm gonna pick the door of the skull.
You're right. Oh, he's not.
Oh, it knocked
They
back.
knocked back. Oh,
Or do we
God.
just go? I think.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the City of Chaos. We were almost at peace before Sergeant Chaos came.
Uh-oh, Sergeant Chaos.
The name we all know too well. Tearing the path
Are you sorry?
through our very hearts.
Don't be scared.
From a vampire. So now we
Okay.
Who's scared?
make your way through the city.
Oh, there's somebody in there. Oh.
Oh, my. You got it.
This is gonna get worse by the minute.
It's getting worse. Oh, no.
Okay, great. That's lovely. Where did we find ourselves now? On the stormy night. Uh-oh. This don't look good. It don't look good at all. Oh.
Definitely not good.
Ooh.
Hey, some
Whoa.
blonde chick about this tall.
Oh my
blonde in her
god.
hair.
It's a talking bear.
Holy cow!
Oh,
Not a cow.
I haven't seen her. Not a cow.
Goldilocks. Okay,
Oh, duck.
No,
you got to be
no,
this
not a
one.
dove.
Quack.
No, it's city people.
We can't talk, can we? Oh my god, the whole closet's shaking.
Oh, God. I can
What
feel it.
in the world?
Even the floor is shaking.
Oh my. Something's shaking. Oh, good God dang.
Watch yourself.
I'm trying, bear. Uh-oh, somebody's
Bear.
singing.
Oh,
That's
wow.
terrifying.
I hear the little girl singing.
Oh, good. And I
Oh
wouldn't
my
have
god,
she-
because you're everywhere.
Are we supposed to answer the phone?
I don't know. Hello? Hello?
No, it's still ringing.
That doesn't work.
Okay, that doesn't work. Where are you going? I have no
We don't
idea.
end it. Oh, good. That is terrifying.
Oh,
Oh, my.
Great scene.
it's so dark in here. It's creepy.
I think she's stalking up. Holy crap. Yeah.
She's moving faster. Oh, what?
How'd you get up there?
Holy cow!
He's way up there. See you soon? Oh, that's a warning.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh my god, they're way up there. Look at the pumpkins.
Yeah.
Thank you. Uh-oh.
Oh, look at all the pumpkins.
Oh.
He's still running
they
around
all
on top
pumpkin?
there.
I like
Whoa.
the pumpkins. Those are cool. Oh, there's a big one.
Swampy
Oh, this is
time.
cool.
This is. It's like you're
Oh, man.
This
going
is
through
awesome.
an overgrown forest. This
I
is
love
the way
how
to do
it's
it.
blue up there.
Yeah.
You got the little.
Oh my goodness!
Holy moly, there's somebody in the swamp.
Mildly disconcerting. Just creepy dead lady in the swamp.
Are you sure
we
she's
go?
dead?
She looks like she should be. Or maybe she killed somebody else. Maybe she's perfectly alive. Comment below if she's alive or dead.
Nope. Ooh. Oh my.
Squishy floor.
There's the squishy, yeah. Oh, that outhouse is squishy too.
Somebody pooped something
goodness.
really
Whoa.
radioactive.
This is cool. Oh.
the whole thing.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Something big.
Something big?
Oh, good.
He's got some
Oh, Jesus Christ, what is that?
Oh, this dodgy
I
town.
don't like it.
Holy
What?
crap. It's
They're literally trying to snatch his tail. Help! Help! That's awesome. Is that a troll? Holy moly, it's a bush woman. We don't know. We're trying to. We don't know.
We're getting eaten by monsters.
All right. Jesus, what's that? Oh, it's a swamp hag. Oh,
It's not
I don't know what that big demon was. but it had 3 eyes.
Kevin.
Uh-oh. Somebody's been making them some shine.
Oh!
You son of a... Uh-oh.
Electric
Hi.
chair.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my. He
Man,
didn't.
you cannot believe a word she says.
Okay.
Says the cheater. I didn't cheat on her.
Oh,
She
no.
says it all the time, but I didn't, I promise.
The
You have to
nurse,
believe me.
3 years into a 10-year sentence, and you're already talking to the nurse.
Is that a door?
Needs
Maybe?
to check
I don't know.
my temperature.
Uh-oh, okay.
He says
Yeah.
she needs to check my temperature.
Your temperature?
Oh, she's gonna check
Well, Dad,
the temperature.
I'm the only one.
Oh, God.
Looks like a hot lava floor.
Huh? Oh, it does.
The floor is lava?
Yes, it's getting ready to be.
How do we get on the walls?
Oh, that's awesome. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, my.
What are we
I
walking
don't know.
into?
All I see are cloaks.
That's right.
Uh-oh.
Who's the
I mean,
one?
I don't trust it. Oh.
No.
Why did you love me?
Oh.
Why?
There's 2. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh my.
I would love you.
God.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh my.
Oh, God. What the hell? Tunnel of what? Oh, no. Tunnel of blood?
Tunnel of blood.
Oh,
to
my
get
God.
rid of
They
junk
gave that
vehicles.
clown a shovel. Oh, no. Oh, God. Are you... Stop it. 350?
350.
That's a deal.
Okay.
It is mint.
Good on gas.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's excellent on gas.
I don't know about no
Yeah.
350. That's
It's one
tunnel
them
of
hybrids,
blood.
isn't it?
Yes, sir. It is.
Oh, God. Not our blood, right?
I
Oh,
don't
no.
know. Oh,
crap.
goodness.
Oh, my.
We
Oh,
are
We're actually
descending.
going
It's
like
a mine
underground
shaft.
here, folks.
holy cow.
Well, happy Valentine's Day! Funny to see y'all around here again.
Yeah.
How are y'all doing?
Well, we're going down.
Did you come with a lot more blood this time? Because we're going to need a lot more blood.
I always bring my full supply with me.
Perfect, good. Now, my brother Earl is going to take care of you at the end of the hall.
Okay, Earl.
Just tell him I sent you. He will give you a good deal, I promise.
A good deal.
Yeah.
Good deal on what?
Oh, you'll see.
Uh-oh. They're going to cut you up. Oh, crap.
Oh God.
Does that mean we're under the ground
I
now?
think we're definitely in the catacombs under the City of Chaos.
Okay. Oh, what is it?
Nothing. It's nothing. I scared myself.
That's good.
Oh my. I think she's possessed.
You think she's possessed by love?
What's wrong with y'all?
I don't know.
I just wanted to learn peace and quiet on my nice little Valentine's Day party, and y'all coming through here like Valentine.
Oh, God. He's
What's
got
wrong with
sparks.
y'all? Oh, I got something special for you.
Special.
Oh, I'm happy you here now.
No, no.
That's right.
Oh no.
No, 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 no.
I'm gonna put you on my wall.
No,
No,
You got a perfect face. I gotta get on there, I swear.
Oh God.
Oh, don't make me get the hose again.
Oh God.
And that's
What is going on?
I don't know.
A little chaotic
Find your
down
way through the
here.
body bag.
Okay, all right. Oh, my goodness. My goodness.
Vince, why did you take us down there?
Hey, I go where the trail takes me. And I can see the light now.
You can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Something else can also see us. Uh-oh. What is that?
Oh, I hear y'all up there banging. Oh, we've walked into the light.
Oh, gosh.
What does that mean?
It's a curvy bridge. Maybe we shouldn't go in there.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
That's not. That just ain't
I don't think
natural.
Mom made it.
No.
Holy
Oh, my.
moly. That's beautiful.
That looks fresh.
No, I'm not gonna pet the baby. Nope.
No.
Yeah.
Oh God,
Yeah,
the
yeah, I'm sure.
the window's spinning.
That is some realism right there.
It's wet. Oh my God.
It's a little gooey. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm good. Thank you though. I appreciate the opportunity.
that was disgusting.
It was quite.
It was quite realistic, is what it was.
Exactly.
Oh,
And
okay.
again.
Oh
himself
no,
again.
we got more strobes going.
Snowboarding, y'all.
Oh, I hear something. Oh, there's padded walls. Oh.
I guess we
Hello?
stay against the
Oh
wall.
God, did you hear him whisper back?
Do we go in the middle of the...
I don't know. I'm not joining you. What are we joining? I don't know. We're not joining it.
That was a good effect.
That was really good. Oh, something's growling. Okay, we're gonna go, yeah.
Not where the growl is.
We're going right. Always go right. That's Tyler's rule.
Once you pick a direction, you gotta always go that direction.
Oh! These
Evil
are
fences.
nice exits.
I'll go to myself.
It's the clown that always knows where we are. Both of them.
Ow.
Did we choose the right way? I see light.
Maybe.
I do too.
Oh my. Oh, this is nice and bloody.
Nice and eerie.
Somebody didn't make it.
Oh my God, it's really tall.
You wanna be my lover?
Is going on.
Well, no!
You wanna be my
Made him cackling.
I know, it's
Oh, we got the neon heart
oh,
going.
nice. Oh, what's in there?
Hello. Hi.
You're gonna get
It's gonna say you do no mating.
Oh
So
yeah.
far, so good.
We're not dead yet. That's
giant cotton
good.
candy, I think.
That's good.
You wanna be?
No.
Oh, it's
no, we
cotton
didn't.
candy. Holy crap.
Yeah, big cotton candy.
Hey,
Holy moly.
what is my cotton candy?
He's got it in there.
I didn't touch
He's
it.
got it.
I heard you was eating my
mind.
cotton
I
candy.
was not.
You know what?
Oh.
I'll deal with you later.
Okay.
Power clown.
Christ on a stick.
Do you want to play a game?
Does it involve hanging from the ceiling?
And you're both hanging on this. I
No.
shoot you with an arrow. We'll see who falls.
It doesn't look like
Nope, I'm
the
out.
participants have a good track record with that.
Right.
Oh Lord. That's cool.
That is a cool one.
We're going into now. Holy cow. Oh God.
Oh God. Okay.
He's taking her back.
Oh.
He's putting her back in the freezer. Oh God. She didn't get it. What do they got in here?
Oh, body parts.
Pieces of you. Oh my. We got fire again.
It's back.
Oh yeah, we like candy.
We don't need no clown candy. No.
Oh my goodness, what did we just get into?
All right, guys, well, that was the City of Chaos. Let us know what you thought. Definitely chaotic, had an absolute blast. And speaking of blast, make sure you come out here during Halloween season because this right here, they fire up these tanks and they do car crushes. They let folks drive them around. It's a whole ass tank. They've got big military trucks where they take you out and shoot zombies with paintballs. Guys, what we showed you just now is only a fraction of what City of Chaos has to offer. Make sure you come out here and see them, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. We're going to a ton more haunted houses down here in Alabama for Valentine's Day. I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you over there. Until then, stay scary.